Have you ever thought, is it possible to sleep in a Walmart $30 children's tent? Well, let's find out. Let's do this. So this tent says it's good for 2 children. Comes nicely packaged. So the tent poles are like twigs. I hope there's no storm tonight. This is the fly to protect you from rain. So this is it. Quick setup. I don't know why it's bunching so much. I think it's just quality. We're already getting a lot of looks from the people around here. So this is the tent. Got it set up. Feet. Just barely. It's kind of nice, you know, it feels like you're in space, seeing the stars. Been getting a lot of people staring at me. But it's not too bad, I guess. Right now I can tell you, if it rains, it's over. You know, we got people going by here. It's summertime, so the campground is very popular. Honestly, it'll do the trick. Like, the material, it's a bucket tent, which is good, but the material is definitely not soak-proof. That's for sure. But let's see what happens through the night. Ooh. So I just got this from like the park office, and it is wet. Ooh. I'll have to dry that out. So while the fire gets warmer and better coals, I'm just gonna prep the food. Got the luxury tent here in the background. So dinner tonight is, I just realized, I'm very devastated, but I forgot the cheese for this meal. And so basically I'm gonna have steak in buns with red pepper and onion and some paprika on it. Luckily, I brought hot sauce, so it won't just be super dry. The cheese was supposed to make it the cheese was supposed to make it better, but oh well. The things you do when you're in a rush, right? They get out. I also got this. I got this meat at Freshco, which is in Canada, or I guess Ontario. It's like a cheaper grocery store, and this meat looks very questionable. I've never seen beef be so pale before, so gonna hope for the best. I gave Amy some of these buns before leaving, and she called me saying I should get new buns, but I didn't have the time, and they're very stale apparently. So. This is also a very this onion's kind of on its way out. There's definitely some rotten parts to it. So I got this tent because I wanted to test tents to see if I can get John, my son, a little kid's tent to play around in. That's better than the one we have right now. Because the one we have right now, I don't think it could handle any rain. So I wanted to test if I could find like a budget-friendly tent that he could potentially sleep in with me in it. So this is it. This is what I'm trying out. So far, I think it's gonna work. I think if it rained, it would be game over. It would be done. But right now, it seems like it'll work, so that's good. So I'm just gonna let that cook for a bit, and I'm gonna add the meat to it. Sure, let's eat it. Alright, so it's all cooked, pretty much. I'm going to add paprika. I like it, so I can put a lot. And pepper. Just mix it around. Some of the grease going to that. There it is. This is really good. Try making this. This is so easy. Any pan, you don't need it. You don't need cast iron. Probably tastes better in a cast iron. Steak, red pepper, onion, a good bun. Don't cheap out like me. And remember the cheese. This is like really good. You should definitely try this. I'll definitely be having this one again. Well, I think I'm gonna clean up camp now. I've been just chilling, enjoying this beautiful weather. It's been hot and smoky for basically the past week, so this has been really nice. I think it's like 20 degrees right now Celsius, which is like just a dreamy temperature to be camping in. It's gonna go down lower, which is really nice. So I'm just gonna clean up camp and then continue relaxing. Also, something I realized about the tent, it only has one door. So only one door. Nice thing about these campgrounds is they have garbage cans, so I don't carry it around with me. That's very nice. Just don't remember where the garbage can is. Something I'm seeing a lot of is a lot of dads with their sons. And I'm looking forward to doing that with John. Very soon, it's coming. The amount of looks that I've been getting just sitting here. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. But mint tea. Cheers. So it's been nice just sitting back and relaxing. It's the thing with car camping is that there's like not much to do once you have you know, get your tent set up, you make your fire, make your dinner, you just chill. It's like nothing else to do. Well, it's definitely proper dark now. I'm gonna go in the tent and do some reading. So let's get in there and see what it's like. So I've situated myself in the tent. It is it is can't. There's no way it's 6 feet. Like I'm. So I'm gonna have to curl up in a ball or something to make this work. But here it is. Got my keys there. Complete gong show. So I'm just gonna read my book for a bit and then I'm gonna go to bed. So I will see you guys in the morning, unless this thing falls apart. I'll see you then. All right, good night. Good morning. Slept pretty good. Yeah, it's just the tent was just a bit too small that I couldn't fully stretch out, so I had to sleep on an angle here to make it work, but it worked. So you can do it. You can sleep in a Walmart $30 tent. So I'm gonna get up, I'm gonna have breakfast and make some coffee. Let's do this. I'm feeling stiff because I couldn't fully stretch out. While that boils, I'll pack up. Coffee. Now on to the main event. There's a squirrel knocking pine cones above me. Oh, this is gonna be watery. It's hard to guess. So I don't have a bowl. How much is in there? How much water? It'll work. Well, there you have it. You can make it through the night in a $30 Walmart tent. I would recommend this tent if you have kids. It's a great little tent for them to play in. Just don't let them get caught out in the rain or a windstorm, or else because the tent will be game over. But the one issue that I had, it's impossible to get it back in the bag. Anyways, if you've liked this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. And make sure to check out the other videos I have on this channel. There's a lot of good ones. And I'll see you guys in the next video.